So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to delete your projects on CapCut. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the CapCut app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your CapCut account, and to delete your project you can simply tap on gray icon which is available on the bottom corner of right side. So tap on it, then you can see here is your projects. Then tap on select icon, then select the photos you want to delete and tap on delete icon which is available in the lower corner of right side. So tap here, then confirm it either you want to delete or not, then tap on delete. Now your video has been successfully deleted from your project here, and now this video you can see in trash and you can restore them for 7 days. Restore within 7 days, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.